Nikki Haley is a Republican presidential candidate who has a pro-life stance on abortion, but does not support a federal ban on the procedure. She believes that such a ban is impossible and dishonest, given the lack of consensus among Americans and the absence of 60 pro-life senators in the past 100 years. She also thinks that abortion is a deeply personal topic that should be addressed with sensitivity and respect, not judgment and hate. She wants to save as many lives and help as many moms as possible, but she acknowledges that the pro-life laws passed in strongly Republican states will not be approved at the federal level. She says that her goal is to find a national consensus on abortion, which is something that no one has done to date. She cites her personal experience as the wife of an adopted husband and the daughter of immigrants as factors that shape her views on abortion. She hopes to appeal to a broad middle ground of voters who are not satisfied with the extreme positions of either party on this issue. In this section of the video, Haley criticizes the media and the Democrats for dividing the public by focusing on week-by-week restrictions and exceptions, and says that the goal should be saving as many lives as possible. She says that the Democrats are dishonestly portraying Republicans as extremists who want to ban abortion nationwide, when in fact such a ban is impossible because there are not enough pro-life senators to pass it. She also accuses the media of ignoring the voices of women who regret their abortions or who choose life in difficult circumstances. Haley argues that instead of getting bogged down in details and debates about when life begins or when abortion should be allowed, the country should seek a national consensus on how to reduce the number of abortions and support women who face unplanned pregnancies. She says that she personally opposes abortion and wants to save as many babies and help as many moms as possible, but she acknowledges that abortion is a deeply personal and sensitive issue that should not be politicized or judged harshly. She cites her own experience as the wife of an adopted child and says that she often wonders what would have happened if his biological mother had chosen a different path. She says that adoption is one of the options that should be promoted and encouraged as a way to save lives and give hope to both children and parents. She also calls for more funding and resources for crisis pregnancy centers, prenatal care, maternity leave, child care, education, and health care. She says that these are practical and compassionate ways to help women and families who may otherwise feel pressured or coerced into having an abortion. She concludes by saying that she believes there is a federal role on abortion, but it is not to impose a one-size-fits-all solution or to override the state's rights. She says that she will strive to find a common ground and a common vision for a culture of life in America where every life is valued and protected.